Welcome back to Primetime News in News Overseas. The U.S. Justice Department, that's the U.S. Department of Justice, released more than 3 million pages of files related to the Jeffrey Epstein investigation on Friday. Among them, a draft indictment that was never brought against Epstein and 3 unnamed defendants. It accuses them of conspiring from 2001 to 2005 to get underage girls to engage in lewd conduct with Epstein for money. Now, the document mentions 19 girls underage under Jane Doe pseudonyms. It claims they were as young as 14 and were paid several $100s. Instead of bringing the 60-count indictment against Epstein and the 3 others, federal prosecutors reached a non-prosecution agreement with Epstein in 2007. Through it, he avoided federal charges and served 13 months in state prison over state prostitution charges.